Good evening everyone. My name is Swarnim Sachin Karat. Today I am going to speak a few lines about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a great leader of India. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, also known as Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, he was born on 14 April 1891 in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. We celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti every